Hello everyone, my name is Mukilan. He is Vishwa, he is Surya, he is Udaya and he is Aravind. We are going to talk about the topic on smart transportation using wireless sensor network. First of all, we will see what definition of the smart transportation. Smart transportation is a modern way of transporting from point A to point B rather than the traditional transportation methods. And we are implementing design thinking approach in here. Basically, the design thinking approach will give us more useful solution or user-centric solutions rather than the traditional solutions that well, that's a traditional solution that will not be that useful as your design thinking approach. Well, next, the empathy part will be presented by Vishwa.
For empathy part, first we want to understand how the people feel about the smart transportation. There are three main groups that we are looking at. Commuters, the people who travel to work, government, and I am going to take the empathy part. First we want to understand how the people feel about the smart transportation. There are three main groups that we are looking at. The commuters, the people who travel to work, the government and the transport providers. After taking many surveys and interviews, the most of the urban commuters are the people who are working in the cities. So they rely on the buses and trains. For rural residents, the most of the people are the farmers, and they rely on the tough transport like trucks and tractors. Business people are the travelers; they travel more, so they rely on the train, ship, and planes. By understanding these groups, we can make the transportation more better and better.
I will talk about the design. There are three major problems. The traffic congestion. The huge number of the vehicles traveling at the same time. Due to the traffic congestion, the pollution occurs. Due to the traffic congestion, the accessibility also affects. The next topic is followed by the Surya.
I am here to present idea part. Our idea part, I have three ideas: e-vehicle sharing, hyperloop system, bike lanes. E-vehicle sharing used to avoid pollution and traffic congestion. Hyperloop system is nothing but it is in flyovers. Bike lanes is to avoid traffic for bike and cars. We should prioritize feasibility, impact, cost.
I am here to talk about the prototype. The first one is hyperloop system or flyover. It is used to reduce the time consumption. The second one is e-vehicle. It is used to reduce the pollution. The third one is e-vehicle sharing. It is used to reduce the traffic congestion. Thank you. Anybody have any questions about the presentation?
What do you mean about e-vehicle sharing?
E-vehicle sharing, we will put a QR code in here, and any person can scan the QR code and pay for that particular bike and ride for some distance that will allocated by the price they pay. And if they leave the bike or any side of the road, another user can scan the QR code and use the bike for that same amount of kilometers that they pay. So the bike will be said to be in a roaming state. Anybody can use that vehicle. And after some times, our executives will collect that bike and put it in the charging station to charge the bike. So like that, we can less the consumption amount of the vehicle and reduce the amount of vehicles roaming in the streets. And anyone can use the bikes at the same time. Any questions?
No.
Thank you.